If you're trying to start treating roaches in your kitchen, I'm going to tell you in this video exactly how to set up your kitchen so it can be the most effective way and not waste your time. So let's get into it. So if you have a kitchen, like we all do, you want to clean it in a specific way, right? If you are using bait for the kitchen, especially using bait, you want to clean in a specific way. Now, cleaning doesn't have to be extensive, right? There's only certain areas you need to be looking for, like aside the stove where greases normally fall, crumbs, everything like that. We will want to get that out of there. Things you want to clean: spills, water droplets in the sink, food crumbs, the garbage being taken out and the garbage can being clean. No dog food, no dog water, no dog bowls, nothing like that. Everything is completely dry boned, completely empty. Then you want to remove some stuff that they're hiding behind. If you have a lot of stuff in the cabinets, move that for the time being. Make sure it's open so they can't hide behind anything, and just make it uncomfortable for them as much as possible, so you can start treating and it be more effective. That's basically what you want to do to get your kitchen really ready. Then when you start baiting, when you start spraying, it's easier for you. You don't have to keep moving things. You can actively see where the roaches are going. It's a better and faster way to keep your home safe and clean from the chemicals. And if you don't do this, it's going to be way harder, because if you place bait, they're not going to take it. Think about it. If you go to your favorite restaurant and you see a food that you always eat, it's the best thing ever, and you always want that, then somebody comes next to you and puts some vegan mess on your table and say, try this, but you got this juicy burger right here. What are you going to try? The burger, right? You want the burger. We don't want this vegan mess. Granted, vegan food is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but a real burger is delicious. So we want to take the burger out, and the only thing on the menu is that vegan burger. Once it's only on the menu, we have to eat it. We love it. Sadly, we die. But that's what you want to do. You want to make sure the only food source there is what you're offering. Once you do that, it's going to be a way easier time getting rid of roaches, right? Way easier time, right? But if you need help with anything I just said, anything at all, I made a few community down in the description below. Go and join it. You can ask me questions, talk to me personally, and I'll be there. So see ya.